Years ago, starting a dropshipping store meant weeks of manual research and building websites from scratch and risking thousands of dollars just to test an idea. Today, AI tools handle that heavy lifting, rapidly assembling the entire framework for you. By the end of this session, you will have a fully functional storefront, a data-backed product, custom advertising creatives, and a live campaign ready. And we are going to set all of this up in under an hour. To follow along, you only need 4 things ready to go: an open Shopify tab, an active ChatGPT session, a standard Facebook account, and a minimal testing budget of around $30 to $100. Getting these tools and your budget organized right now ensures you won't get stuck planning. You can move directly from learning the steps to actually launching a live money-making campaign today. Step 1 is building the store's foundation. We start by using a free tool called Build Your Store and connecting it directly to a Shopify account, which you can set up on a $1 trial. Within 5 minutes, this automated process generates a structurally complete storefront. It automatically populates the essential pages you need to look professional, including a track your order page, a detailed FAQ section, and contact forms. With the site infrastructure in place, we need something to sell, but you cannot guess what people want to buy. Every profitable product must meet 3 strict criteria. First, the item must be currently trending with rising demand. Second, it has to be unique. If your customer can drive down to a local retail store and pick it up off the shelf, they are not going to wait for your shipping. Third, and most importantly, the product must solve a real, massive problem in the customer's everyday life. Avoid cheap toys or gimmicks. You want items that address core insecurities or daily pain points. To find items that hit these 3 marks, we rely on hard sales data instead of intuition. A TikTok spy tool called AutoDS allows us to look exactly at what people are already buying on the platform right now. Look at this trend graph. By setting our filters to track sales volume over the last 7 days, we can isolate items with rising demand. Filtering out the low-performing items quickly points us to a top performer, in this case, an at-home Pilates reformer. Relying on a spy tool to find proven sales data and automating your website build eliminates the 2 biggest hurdles for beginners. It ensures you don't drain your limited startup budget testing products nobody wants on a broken website. Even with strong sales data, you need a mandatory safety check before spending a single dollar on inventory or ads. We use AI for our market validation. Take the details of your chosen product and feed them directly into ChatGPT. Prompt the AI to run a deep analysis on the current market demand, top competitors, and overall profitability. The AI compiles internet data into a comprehensive report. Before moving forward, that report must return a rating of moderate to high potential. Once the product is validated, we return to the storefront. The placeholder text generated earlier needs to be replaced with copy that actually matches your new product. Inside Shopify's theme editor, you can use their native AI text tool. Just ask it to rewrite your generic headers, and it will instantly generate polished, high-converting sales copy. For the visuals, you don't need to hire a professional photographer. You can prompt AI platforms to generate clean, high-quality images of your product placed perfectly on pastel backgrounds. Delegating the heavy lifting of design and copywriting to AI frees up your time. You can direct all your energy entirely toward the product page, which is the exact place where your customers decide whether or not to click buy. Now we need to drive traffic to that product page. Many beginners try to take shortcuts here by stealing competitor video ads. Do not do this. Using stolen video creatives pits you directly against the original seller in the ad algorithm, which kills your performance. Worse, it puts your entire ad account at immediate risk for a permanent ban. Instead, take a screenshot of a competitor's ad and ask ChatGPT to analyze it, then remix them into entirely unique, high-quality static image variations. With your unique images generated, open your Facebook Ads Manager. It's time to launch the campaign. For the testing phase, input a conservative daily budget. Setting this anywhere between $30 and $100 a day is enough to start gathering reliable data. The most critical configuration step here is your audience. Select broad targeting and leave all the demographic settings completely wide open. By leaving the audience broad, you are handing control over to Facebook's algorithm. The system analyzes the specific keywords, imagery, and metadata within your AI-generated ad to identify the buyers most likely to convert. Combining mathematically unique AI image ads with broad targeting creates a frictionless environment. The algorithm has the freedom to locate your most profitable customers without any restrictive manual interference. Look at where we are. You now possess a fully customized storefront, an AI-validated product, and live ad campaigns ready to drive immediate traffic. By adhering to this blueprint, you've moved past the setup phase and into active market testing, where you can finally see how real customers interact with your offer. But you have to manage your expectations. Avoid the slot machine mentality. If a product gets a few sales but doesn't immediately scale to thousands of dollars on day one, do not instantly abandon it. As you can see in this diagnostic flowchart, traffic flows into 3 distinct buckets. Systematically read your incoming data metrics to isolate the specific bottleneck, whether your ad CTR is too low, your website bounce rate is too high, or your core offer conversion is failing. Leveraging AI and raw data allows you to engineer profitability systematically, replacing the need for luck with a repeatable process of testing and optimization. If you want my team to manually review your store and help you read that data, check out the link to the AI Commerce Academy below.